Welcome. If you want to make your Instagram posts more lively and let your followers express themselves with fun animations, enabling GIF comments is the way to go. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to allow GIF comments on your Instagram account, so you can boost engagement and creativity in your comment section. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your settings. Now, in the top right corner of your profile, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon, often called the hamburger menu. Tap on these lines to open up the menu. From here, scroll down until you find the option labeled Comments. Tap on it to enter the comments settings. This section controls how people interact with your posts and what kind of comments are allowed. Inside the comments menu, look for the setting called Allow GIF Comments. By default, this option might be turned off. To enable GIF comments, simply tap the switch next to Allow GIF Comments. Once it's toggled on, your followers will be able to leave GIFs in the comments under your posts and reels. That's all it takes. Now, anyone who visits your posts can use GIFs in their replies, making your comments section more dynamic and entertaining. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes new features take a little while to roll out to everyone. Enjoy the new level of interaction on your Instagram posts, and watch as your community gets even more creative with their comments. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun with your upgraded Instagram experience.